In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Date Range tool in TradingView. This tool is incredibly handy for traders and analysts who want to measure performance over a specific period on their charts. Let's get started on how to harness this feature effectively. To begin, you'll want to launch the TradingView desktop application. Once you've opened up the application, locate the search bar, which is typically found at the top of the interface. Clicking on it will reveal a list of available options and features. Now, continue by clicking on Launch Chart. This action will open up any crypto chart you have in mind, providing the live data ready for analysis. Once your chart is ready, you need to access the tools available to you. So go ahead and tap the Draw Tools icon. This icon is your gateway to a variety of options that will aid in visualizing different aspects of your data. Next, amongst the tools, you'll find the Date Range tool. Click on it to activate this feature. The Date Range tool is designed to enable you to select two different points on your chart, allowing you to define a specific time period for your analysis. With the tool activated, you'll now want to select your start and end points on the chart. Simply click on your desired starting point, drag your cursor over to your end point, and click again to finalize your selection. This action visually highlights the specific time frame you're interested in examining. Once you've selected your date range, the tool will display the total percentage move and the time elapsed over the chosen period. This calculation is incredibly useful for traders who want an immediate overview of changes over custom intervals. It provides an immediate snapshot of performance, highlighting trends or fluctuations that occurred within that selected time span. If necessary, you have the option to adjust the range. You can do this by dragging either the start point or end point to your new desired position on the chart. This flexibility ensures you can fine-tune your analysis, providing the most accurate snapshot of performance based on fluctuating data or evolving questions. Finally, if you wish to remove the date range visualization, you can do so easily using the trash icon. Click on it, and the marked data range will disappear, clearing up your workspace. To remove additional elements like drawings and indicators simultaneously, simply click the option labeled Remove one drawing and 3 indicators. This step is a straightforward way to clean up all unnecessary clutter from your charts with just a couple of clicks. And there you have it, the Date Range tool on TradingView, a straightforward and effective way to analyze specific time periods on your charts. By following these steps, you can gain deeper insights into your trading data, enabling more informed decision-making.